What's up, guys? So today is Mexican Monday. We're back with that finally. We're having sopes. We got 5 here. It's a little bit, it's kind of like a snack pre-dinner because we're still gonna have dinner eventually because we're fat, right, Pack?
No.
Well, the sopes have beans, 3 of them have chicken. Mira, they're backwards.
Yeah.
Ay, chingo. So they have beans, chicken, green salsa, queso fresco, sour cream. I threw habanero on top, some lettuce, some onions, some cilantro, and that's it. I think. Yeah? Alright. So annoying. I have some chips and salsa. I have a serrano, just in case everything's not hot enough.
I need one.
I have some chips right here.
We have salsa that is really good. It's not really hot, it's just really good.
Mm-hmm.
Like taste, I don't know. I had some this morning. No regrets. Put lots of habanero on it.
Mm.
We probably won't be very flattering in this video.
Mm-mm. We say that every video.
No, I don't.
Oh, I do. So you want one?
Mm-hmm. This is so good.
Mm-hmm. I feel like as a Mexican, you just like to have stuff to put food on.
Yeah.
And if you can put chili on it, it doesn't matter what's on it. This is an exciting week of videos, huh?
Mm-hmm. Really exciting.
So, we're gonna do a video on foods she can't eat.
Mm-hmm.
Because she's finally getting her braces off in 2 days.
Just, like, I'm actually getting them off, which is, like, really exciting.
Si pica. Whatever it is. I think it's habanero, and then that builds.
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
Drop water.
I haven't been wearing my glasses because they're in the car.
And she hasn't gone and gotten them.
Mm-mm. Ooh, look at.
Tell them.
No. She's my secret.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Let's try this again. Without dropping it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So, like, everything we already had, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So good. I had one of these yesterday. I was good.
I didn't feel like eating these yesterday. But today.
You haven't eaten anything all day.
Mm-mm. I like queso fresco, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. Clears your palate. You know how it's spicy? Oh my god. Why is it so delicious?
I can't really talk.
Uh-uh. Is it weird I can actually say I'm excited to work out?
Yes.
That is weird.
Last night you were dead.
Dude, my arm is hurting. Like, right here. My wrist. You know?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so angry. All I could think about was the pain. But I'm better now. We're good.
I'm dead too though. Like I can't do anything. Sucks. I have to like limit myself.
This is not first date food, huh, Peck?
First date food is like. What can you be cute and eat?
I would just say I'm not hungry.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh no, I'm good.
I'm good. Thank you.
Starve.
Just eat a lot when you go.
Mm-hmm. But what if you went to dinner? I should have the answer for you, but I don't. I'm trying to think. If you get this far, leave down below what first date food is. Right, or not too messy.
Yeah, cause this.
Cause ribs are like elote. Oh my god, imagine. How embarrassing. Unless you don't care.
Unless you're comfortable with the person.
Yeah, but first date you're not.
But
Unless
they're
you've known
not.
them for a long time or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Can you eat that?
Go for it, Mac. You're not gonna eat it? You said you were hungry.
But Mama eat a whole soap there.
I'll help you.
Mama needs more sour cream, but okay.
Spread it around with the chip. Pica, huh? The way we did it?
Yeah.
Also, trying really hard to quit soda.
I have to.
I know.
I have.
Fat.
I'll drink soda.
Look, I can't even eat this because we put a bunch of chili on there. My new shirt. It's amazing. Yes, in your nose. Look. Oh, can you just put a cheese? Aw, it didn't go up there.
Tell them why you're not eating.
We're all quiet. Oh, okay. It's just today was long. Huh. Con pollo? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Big difference.
Told you.
Okay, meat or no meat, generally I don't eat meat on sopes, you notice? It was just loaded up with beans and like everything, all the verdura and stuff. But that was delicious.
I want them to cook at my quince tacos.
When your family cooks so good, you don't want a caterer.
Yeah.
You just want Tomas. Tomas makes bomb tacos. We'll probably just ask him. Him and
I'm
Carnitas.
not even kidding.
Him, Carnitas, and Romero. And they're such good hosts. They're like fun.
And they're like nice.
And like, wouldn't you want to give your money to somebody that you love?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not to some.
Random schmo.
Yeah.
Like, you don't know if they're gonna be good.
I know, like, what if, like, their meat is bad?
Can't have that at your quince.
But I feel like tacos is kind of ghetto with a quince. No?
Is it?
I don't know. For anybody out there who, like, made it this far, do you think tacos at a quinceañera is ghetto?
I don't know. I've only been to a few.
I've never been
It's
to one.
usually like food that's already like made, like, you know, and it's like buffet, like.
Well, then tacos are so much better. You can dress it up however you want.
Really dumb. Just puta madre. Let me know the color your chones on Mexican Monday. Are they green? Are they red? Are they white? Did you get that? No? Okay. Well, anyway. Sopes, Elaine could make them. You just fry them up. I mean, granted, we could have made them from scratch, but your girl got 4 daughters. I ain't got time to be like, you know? Oh, and first date food. Because that's funny.
Yeah.
Bye.